Hi students, today we are going to continue the remaining problems in that exercise 6.5. 11th one, it is given that at x equal to 1, the function x to the power of 4 minus 62x square plus ax plus 9 attains its maximum value on the interval 0, 2. Find the value of a. Find the value of a. That means attain the maximum means that its point is a critical point. Maximum means that critical point means maybe increasing means top position, maybe it is. So what we have to understand is first take the f of x, derivative of the function, and given that f of x attains its maximum value at x equal to means f dash of 1 is equal to 0, have to consider. F dash of 1 is equal to 0. That means first calculate f dash of 1. That is 4 into 1 cube means 4 only, minus 24 into 1 plus a. It is minus 120 plus a. So f dash of 1 is equal to 0 means a minus 120 means a is equal to 120. Whether the value is correct or not, or 1 is the root for that equation or not, means once we have to check it. So now keep a value is 120 in the first derivative, which is equal to 0. What did it means? I got the a value. In the place of unknown value, take that value 120. Now your first derivative expression is 4x cube minus 124x plus 120 equal to 0. Student, take 4 common. 4 common means x cube minus 31x plus 30. But it is a cubic polynomial. Directly we cannot get the roots for this cubic polynomial. So you have to take the synthetic division. X cube 1, there is no x square term, that's why 0, minus 31 plus 30. Why I taken 1 means already that is the critical point we calculate between the 0 to 2. So 1 is the root means 0, 1, by adding these two 1 will come, 1 ones are 1, 0 plus 1, 1 ones are 1, minus means minus 30, minus 30 into 1, minus 30 this is. By adding 0 will come. So this is x square plus x minus 30 will come. Take the factor. So 1 is the root for this equation. 1 of the root x minus 1 into, that means x minus 1 into x square plus x minus 30 will come. Again we are going for calculate the roots for that. That is the next concept. And suppose if you are taking roots for this, what do you get now? X square plus x minus 30 equal to 0. 30 means that 2 minus 30. Take the 6 paisa. 6 paisa means x square plus 6x minus 5x minus 30 equal to 0 means 1 is x plus 6, 1 more is x minus 5 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 6, x is equal to 5. These two will not exist in closed interval of 0, 2. Those two numbers will not exist in this interval. So guys, generally the a value is 120 means, if you assume a is equal to 120 means, by taking that we are finding the roots for that. Roots means here 1 is means here factor is x minus 1 into x square plus x minus 30. X minus 1 equal to 0 means x is equal to. Remaining if you calculate the factors means x is equal to minus 6, x is equal to 5. Those two values will not exist in this interval. Those two values will not exist in this interval. So x is the one. So maximum value if you calculate means f of 0 and f of 2 means definitely you will get the already he only said that given that at x equal to only it will maximum means that f dash of 1 is equal to 0 you have to take, you will get the value. For understanding purpose guys, it is not a solution for this problem. This is completely whether the value is correct or not means once you have to check it, just substitute the value. This is nothing but the first derivative expression. For the first derivative expression we are going to find the which is equal to 0 means definitely we will get the critical points for that first derivative. For the function also, we calculate yes x is equal to 1. Remaining two factors will not exist in the interval. This is only one of the factor. Now your finally critical points are 0 to 1. In that if you calculate you will get the maximum at 1 only. Okay. Now this is the solution for this 11th problem. Students, this model already we completed but with the single term only, but this time is given along with x also. Generally it is on 0, 2 pi means x is belongs to 0, 2 pi. 2x means definitely it is going to the 2-time revolution, that is 0, 4 pi. Okay, come to here. Take the first derivative. F dash of x is equal to 1 plus 2 cos 2x. 1 plus 2 cos 2x. So f dash of x equal to 0 means 1 plus 2 cos 2x equal to 0. 2 cos 2x is equal to minus 1. Cos 2x is equal to minus 1 by 2. Cos value negative. Cos is negative means actually at 60 degrees. 60 degrees means pi by 3. Wait. So pi by 3, pi by 2, because actually students pi by 2 plus pi by 3 have to consider. Okay, pi by 2 means 90 da. 90 plus theta, second quadrant. In second quadrant only cos function negative. Cos function negative. Cos function negative pi by 2 plus pi by 3 means LCM 6. 3 pi plus 2 pi. It is 5 pi by 6. The first value will exist at 5 pi by 6. In the same manner, if we calculated second quadrant and third quadrant only, cos value negative guys. Second quadrant means 90 plus theta. Third quadrant means 180 plus theta. 180 plus means pi plus pi by 3. That means pi plus pi by 3 means 4 pi by 2. In the same manner, go to 260. That means to 360. 360 plus again 5 pi by 6. 360 plus again 4 pi by 3. We will get those two values. Finally, 2x we got 5 pi by 6, 4 pi by 3, 7 pi by 6 and 10 pi by 3. If x is belongs to means 5 pi by 12, 4 pi by 6, 7 pi by 12 and 10 pi by 6. And take the critical point between this one. X is belongs to 0, 2 pi means 10 pi by 6 means how much you will get 300. 10 pi by 6 means pi by 6 means 30 degrees now. 30 into 10, 300 degrees. That means below 361. So x belongs to these values now. Now with 0, 2 pi by taking f of 0, f of 5 by 2, f of 4 pi by 6 means 2 pi by 3 will come now. 4 pi by 6 means if you are confusing means take the same number only. 4 pi by 6 then only you can calculate. And f of 17 pi by 2 and one more value is f of 10 pi by 6 and one more value is f of 2 pi. First note down this value. Like this you have to simplify it guys. Okay, you can conclude it. So just note down, I will complete this one. And remaining f of 10 pi by 6 and one more is f of 2 pi is there. So by solving that you will get find the maximum and minimum value is asking. So which is the highest value in this and which is the smallest value? First note down it. Okay students, 13th one in 12th one complete that one because f of 10 pi by 6 and f of 2 pi you have to calculate and by observing all those values which is maximum and which is minimum, write those two values. Clear Nana? Okay, come to the by seeing the previous year's papers, some models are there in maximum. In that particular one model, that is this is model. Sum of the two numbers is equal to 15, sum of the two numbers is 16 or sum of the two 24. So from this he is asking one of the question, one of the model, that means what type of model he is asking, number of times in public time. So find two numbers whose sum is 24 and whose product is large as possible. Large as possible means tell the maximum. And next is the number and other number is 24 minus x. How it becomes 24 minus x, Nana? Because given that sum of numbers is 24. Sum of the number is 24 means one number is x means automatically another number is 24 minus x. 24 minus x. F of x is equal to by multiplying 24x minus x square, that is minus x square plus 24x. F dash of x is equal to minus 2x plus 24 and f dash of x is equal to 0. Minus 2x plus 24 is equal to 0 and minus 2x is equal to minus 24. Then x is equal to 12. X equal to 12. This is the value. And f dash of x. So from here onwards take the double derivative. F dash double dash of x is equal to minus 2 will come. F double dash of x value is how much? 12. Also there is no x variable. So there is no substitution capacity. So minus 2. Negative value means less than 0. Negative value means less than 0. So less than 0 means a double derivative function is less than 0 means it indicates maximum. It indicates maximum. Thus, product of numbers are large at x equal to 12. Then numbers are x equal to 12 and 24 minus 12 also 12. 12 comma 12. This is the solution of this problem. Students, 14.1. Find two positive numbers x and y such that x plus y equal to 60 and x into y cube is maximum. That means this is your function, guys. But function should be in a single variable only. That's why what we are doing. Given that x plus y equal to 60 and y is equal to 60 minus x. X and y two numbers means one is x. Definitely second number is 60 minus x. Okay, fine. Our function f of x is equal to x into y cube. In the place of y, substitute this value 60 minus x. 60 minus x. So now your function is x into 60 minus x whole cube. Now the given function is f of x into g of x. How do you derive the f of x and means f of x into dy dx of g of x plus g of x into dy dx of f of x. Like that, if you calculate it taking common means, you will get this expression. And f dash of x is equal to 0 means 60 minus x whole square into 60 minus 4x equal to 0 means 60 minus x whole square equal to 0 means 60 minus x equal to 0. X equal to 60. 60 minus 4x means 4x equal to 60. X is equal to 60 by 4 means 50 will come. But students, 6 equal to x is equal to 60 is not correct answer. Why it is? Because sum of two numbers is 60 means one of the number 60 means automatically other number is 0. Other number is 0. But what he mentioned? Two positive numbers. But 0 is not a positive number. It is neither positive nor negative. So by that, definitely x equal to 60 is not a answer. So consider x equal to 15 is a solution. Now go for the f double dash of x. It means this is the first derivative. Take the double derivative. You will get the expression like this: 60 minus x into 12x minus 360. 12x minus 360. In that, if you substitute, definitely you will get the negative value. If you simplify it means you will get the negative. Negative means f double dash of 15 is here up to here. This is yes. This is up to double dash of x. F double of 15 means I substitute 15. I got the negative. F double dash of 15 is less than 0 means a double derivative is less than 0 means maximum. Maximum at x equal to 50. That conclusion line you can write it. So finally it is a maximum at x equal to 15. Maximum at x equal to 15. So this is the solution, guys. Sometimes we get the one board and sometimes we get the two boards will get such type of lengthy. So why I am telling means I am just giving a simplification to you, not giving any homework. Just whatever I just stopped here. F double dash of 15 is less than 0. So any value is less than 0 means what do you feel? Yes, it is a maximum. It is maximum at x equal to 15. At x equal to 15, what are the numbers? One is x equal to 15, second one is 60 minus 15 means 45. Two numbers are 15 and 45. That like that we can conclude this problem. Clear guys? Note down first. Same model guys, same model only. 15th one. Find two positive numbers such that the sum is 35 and the product of x square into y to the power of 5 is a maximum. Same method only guys, just take the one number is x and second number is 35 minus x. F of x is equal to x square into y to the power of 5. X square into y value is 35 minus x whole to the power of 5. And take the f of x into g of x formula, f of x into d by dx of this part, and 35 minus x whole to the power of 5 into d by dx of x square. Like that we are getting, and take common 35 minus x whole to the power of 5. Finally we will get the f dash of x value 35 minus x whole to the power of 4 into 70x minus 7x square. Okay, and f dash of x equal to 0 is take this. Finally, three values will be there. That means you will get the three critical points. One is x equal to 35, one is x equal to 0, one more is x equal to. Why x is equal to 35? Why it is not 35 solution? Because sum of the two numbers 35 means one number should be 0. One number should be 0 means it is a meaningless because 0 is not a positive number. 0 is not a positive number. And 35. Here both are not solution. X equal to 10. And again go for the double derivative test. If you substitute in the means, so observing here now. By adding this is a total negative value. The negative value is multiplied to plus value. Obviously, it will come minus only. Minus means f double dash of 10 is less than 0 means it is a maximum. It is a maximum at x equal to 10. Then write the numbers. One is the 10 and second one is the 25. Okay, so note on this. Why I am explaining this complete solutions? If so, same model also means just take the simplification, especially. Once you see the, if you have a previous year's paper, once you see that, why I am just taking more like this, why I am giving explanation, you can understand it. Clear na? So, no one be neglecting these problems. Same model also, no one neglect it. Just take the simplification. Clear? Next one also same student. Find two positive numbers whose sum is 16 and the sum of whose cubes is minimum. Sum of whose cubes means nothing but f of x is equal to x cube plus y cube. One of the number x means definite other number is 16 minus x because of sum of two numbers is 16. So by using that x cube plus 16 minus x whole cube, take the first derivative 3x square into 3 into 16 minus x whole square into 16 minus x derivative minus 1. So by doing this one, you will get the final f dash by simplifying. What do you get? 3 into 32x minus 256. 3 into 32x minus 256. This is it. And f dash of x equal to 0 means, what do you get now? 32x minus 256 means 32x equal to 256. X is equal to 8 times. And f double dash of x equal to, come here, 3 into 32 into 1. This part is 0. So finally we get the 96. F double dash 8 means there is no x variable. Directly 96 is a positive number greater than 0. Greater than 0 means it is a minimum. So thus, whose cube is minimum at x equal to 8. Okay. Note down clearly. Okay, student, first read the question. A square piece of tin of side 18 centimeter is to be made into a box without top. By cutting a square from each corner and folding up the flops to form the box, what should be the side of the square to be cut off so that volume of the box is maximum possible? Finally, the total question, if you read it, means take one white sheet. How it is means not in rectangular shape. Take the square shape white sheet or any sheet. The length is 18 centimeter. Length of a square means this side and this side and this side and this. So square four sides are 18, 18 is there. But what action we have applied on this sheet means corners we cutted. Corner we cutted. How much we cutted means that is also square piece. That is also square piece. That is means x x x x like that square piece. Just remove it. Remove it. What is the remaining of this part here, Nana? If you observe here, so this is here x centimeters removed. Here also x centimeter. That means out of total 18 centimeter, 2x we removed. That means the length of box, because that part we have to fold like this. Just feel like a sweet box, top or bottom, anything. Just fold like this. And this is also fold to upside. And here also fold to upside. And here also fold to upside. So, this is length, breadth. Length also 18 minus 2x. Breadth also 18 minus 2x. But height means whatever you are folding like this now, that is x. Length of box 18 minus 2x, breadth of box 18 minus 2x, height of the box x centimeter. And volume of the box V is equal to L into B into H. L into length into breadth into height means volume. That is V of x. V of x equal to 18 minus 2x, 18 minus 2x is x. Final x into 18 minus 2x. Up to now what we completed means, by reading the question, just it is a rough diagram to understanding of this. Four corners we removed four square pieces. That is actually square sheet only. In that also, in four corners we removed square piece and then we folded like this. So now it is a topless box. That box will come. To that box is asking volume of the box. So volume of a box means generally volume of a cuboid means length into breadth into height. Now it is look like a cuboid because length and breadth same only, but height is different. That is x. Cube means length to breadth to height all are equal. That's why it is a cube. Now take this. Now this is the function up to now. And simplification is there, Nana. First, note down this one. See the guys, and just take the derivative of the v of x. V dash of x is equal to, again it comes like a f of x into g of x. X into derivative of 18 minus 2x whole square plus 18 minus 2x whole square into derivative of x is 1. If you calculate it in a simple way, so we get the 324 minus 4x square. 324 minus 4x square. And v dash of x equal to 0 means 324 minus 4x square equal to 0 means we get x square equal to 81. X is equal to plus or minus 9. Plus or minus 9 means minus 9, don't take it now because x indicates the centimeter length. That is the length x equal to, x indicates. So take the positive x equal to 9 and take the double derivative of the function. Double derivative means what do you get? This is 0. 4 into x square means 2x. Minus 8x will come. And v double dash of 9 means minus 8 into 9, minus 72. Negative value means less than 0, double derivative. Double derivative means less than 0 means thus the volume of a box is maximum at x equal to 9 centimeter. So like that, some simplification begin, no problem, whether it is big or small. First understand the question, try to solve it. This is because of 5 marks question. 5 marks question. Today is very important. And yesterday also I observed, I think watching of the videos it is reduced, guys. And boys and girls, how many are watching and how many are doing? So I'm not getting any conclusion about this. So one day maybe after completion of this topic, I will make a call to you all people. Okay? Keep in touch.